Let's make starter. I ain't gonna tell you what this looks like. It stinks. This is a science experiment at this point. I have a confession to make. The confession is that I didn't read nothing. But I did make a post letting them know I was a beginner and I was about to start my journey. Any tips, tricks, hacks, encouragement, motivation, critiques, advice, anything to let me know. And I had one beautiful soul let me know. Hold on, because I got notes. And I quote, "It has to be well established before baking. It has to double or more in size at least 3 days in a row. And 10 to 14 days old before baking." Who knew it was gonna be 2 weeks before I could even bake some damn bread? I don't like that. Anyways, what's in the bag is a pack of dehydrated culture. This is a science experiment at this point. In the instruction packets, and it said all you need is some all-purpose flour. But how is it supposed to get wet? I'm gonna read the directions. Okay. I ain't gonna tell you what this looks like. Why couldn't be a booklet? I don't like these things, but I be knowing which one. It's the all got. It's numbered. It's fine. I love you, Daddy. Recommend organic flour. The type of flour you need depends on which starter you are activating. We just going with San Francisco because it's all-purpose flour. Bottled spring water. I got that. Hold, please. Okay, I got my water and one packet of dehydrated sourdough culture, which is this one. So equipment: glass jar, coffee filter, or tight weave cloth. Wow. Would that be this? I don't know. Rubber band, mixing utensil. Okay, well this comes with a rubber band. Add packet of starter to 1 tablespoon of flour and 1 tablespoon of room temperature water in a quart-sized glass jar. Stir thoroughly. We gotta do this first. Got a thermostat. You got the thermometer? Here's the rubber band. Well, this got the days of the week, all type of shit. Is this what they talking about? Like a little shark cap? Let me rinse it out. 1 packet of starter to 1 tablespoon of flour. I didn't know this was gonna look like flour. Jesus, my brain's fried. Tablespoon of flour. Tablespoon of room temperature water. Stir. Cover the jar with a coffee filter or breathable material. Secure it with rubber band. It stinks. Starter in a warm place for 12 to 24 hours. Looking for your starter to bubble between feedings. That's the fermentation at work. Enough water? I don't think that's enough water. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. I need pictures. I need like a picture book. Your starter should have the consistency of pancake batter. Add flour or water to adjust as necessary. I'm glad they said that. Like I said, I need pictures or a description or something. It's like some dry ass pancake batter. I think that might have been too much water. I'm gonna stir this and come back. Okay, so there you go. Considering there's much of nothing in here, this is pretty much what it looks like. I'm gonna cover this. I get why they say put the cloth on there, because one of the groups that I'm in, she said hers exploded everywhere. She had to clean up that mess. She got her covered. Directions say to basically repeat this process for 3 to 7 days. Once it starts bubbling regularly within a few hours of feeding, that's how you know it's ready to use. We're gonna be doing this for a while. We do have to name her, y'all. I do notice that all of them that do it, they name their starter. In the spirit of Black History Month, we need to give her a strong, powerful name. And comment below and let me know what you think her name should be. And so when we feed her the next time, we'll officially give her a name. Once I got added to the starter group, honestly, I got really, really nervous because I was very overstimulated in that group. This really wasn't that hard to make. I really thought it was gonna be a lot more difficult to make. I think maintaining it is what's going to be more difficult than actually starting the starter. So I guess we'll see. You know how you start treating your plants and shit like they family and they really start performing well. I think that's what's going to happen with her. We're just going to show her lots of genuine love, give her a strong, powerful name so she can go out and outperform every goddamn starter out there. Thank y'all for tuning in. We got our starter. It started. Come back for the next video so we can name our starter and so we can feed our baby. And just come back and find out.